Good morning, everybody. Yeah, we're just moving in. Not bad. They started, I think, about 7:30. We're supposed to start at 8, and we're rolling already. Good times. So the weather today, guys, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed part one of the video. I know it's nothing special, but at least you get to ride along. But yeah, so it's supposed to rain today, guys. It looks kind of, but it's not a big deal. We don't really park in any muddy situations. Hopefully, anyway. I don't think I've ever been here where it's really muddy. But yeah, they knocked us. I mean, I'm number 54, and I think they started 7:30. What's it, a half hour, and they're just moving out pretty good. Hats off to the Randy and crew. I think Randy's here. I think Larry Wiggins is here. Randy's here at every race now. He's in charge of all the parking. Yeah, so we're rolling in, and it's going to be just like stop and go. So, you'll see me. I'll probably be speeding up, slowing down these videos, just so we can get to it quick, instead of just sitting here and watching a video for a half hour or whatever long it's going to take, and me just talking. So nice. Hi, Randy.
It's cold down there.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean,
We'll go back there where Dan and Bon Giovanni's gonna go?
Yeah.
Get your spots.
Great, thank you, sir. All right, guys, I got to figure out where I'm going to park. I think we're someplace around here, but I don't know. But I'll be back in a bit when I get all kind of settled. That was quick, I tell you. That was pretty quick to get in there. Okay, guys, let's ride through the pits. Swing around, just kind of show you my parking. Not the best, a lot of gravel and everything like that, but at least it's flat. This big spot for Anthony Bon Giovanni and Dan Fletcher. So yeah, so let's ride through the pits. To my left is the Showdown cars. Monty Joe. Looks like the rain's coming, so I wanted to get this video done quick before the rain comes. And looks like this guy is not going to move, and we're going to be screwed. I don't get this at all. This is a road for us to get our cars through, and yeah, I don't want to complain, bitch, but so let's get through the pits and show you guys Bristol. A lot of you guys have seen Bristol already, but let's do it again. Let's get to the starting line. We'll go into the staging lanes. Get it all blocked off, but I can squeak through here. I can't go into, it's just new blacktop, so I don't want to go in there, but I just want to looks like they're painting, whatever, I don't know, but it looks like it's a fresh blacktop right there, so we definitely can't go on there. Well, I probably could. There's a couple of cars there, but I don't want to. I don't want to go there. But there it is. So Bristol Motor Speedway. How about it, guys? Well, it's Bristol Dragway. Motor Speedway would be the roundy round track to my left there. But yeah, cool track. Not a fast track, but a cool track. Then we can just run down where the pros are. So what's kind of nice about this track, though, is when you get your, you get the scales, you get your ticket, blah blah blah. It's pretty much just kind of like a downhill. So you can just kind of goose a little bit and just coast all the way to your pit spot. So there it is, Thunder Valley. Plenty of shutdown. Like I said, it's not a fast track. But yeah, pretty cool. Never really been up here like this. And check out the nice. Spots, but you got to get here early for these spots. And but down in this level, if that creek Like we get a lot of rain and it floods. You could have water up to your waist down here, but it's not bad. Like if you're parked right here, it's not bad. But it can get a little muddy down here if we get some heavy rain. Even though it's asphalt down here, but it's all broken up asphalt. Last year where we parked wasn't bad, but you had to drive through all this stuff, which really sucked. But it was up in the back here, and I'll take a ride back there. But this is basically all the sportsmen. Nobody's really out. Looks like we're going to be getting some rain, and a lot of people taking their cars out. But if you come up over here now, it's like I said, it's a little bit of a drive, and it's really nice back here. But yeah, nobody's back here. Wow, it's really nice back here, as you can see. Nice and quiet, but you got to drive through that other stuff. So, but not bad. Definitely not bad over here. I was here last year. I liked it. But so now we're on the gravel. We'll just deal with it. But at least it's easy in, easy out. Yeah, you see, I hear it gets really muddy over here. As you can see, when it floods, the dirt just flows right over here. So hopefully we won't get any rain. I hate to see any of these guys get caught in this shit. And from talking to one of the guys that his daughter used to run junior drags, they were at this big race here. He said it was like a flash flood. It didn't take long. It was at your ankles before you knew it, and by the time they could get everybody out, a lot of guys got stuck. It was up to their waist. All right, guys, I guess let me just run through one more pit. Let's go through let's go through showdown pits. I think the pro mods are parked down here where they used to not be parked down here. So we were able to park on blacktop back in the day. That was back in the day. I think these are pro mods here, where the showdown cars used to park over here, but now it's pro mod or pro stock. Oh, they have the mountain motor cars. Forgot about them. Yeah. Alright guys, I guess that's it. Not much else. Showdown cars are all parked here. And we'll get back into our normal pictures and stuff. I mean, I don't think I'll be able to get any pictures today of any race cars because nobody's really out because we're all expecting rain. But we're getting back to our pit. And yeah, so we'll talk to you guys later.